Hi guys, so my name is Erica. I am a business coach that specializes in helping newer to intermediate coaches and service providers build sustainable businesses, and I do that through helping them make sure that their systems and strategies are solid. And so before I joined Scale to 5K, I was in this weird place where I was trying to still be a done for you service provider and a coach, and it was not working. And the thing is, Megan had already told me like a few months prior that I should just be a business coach. And I was so scared to do it just because I had some doubts about myself. And Megan just affirmed me, helped affirm me in this process that I was on the right track, that everything that all the knowledge that I had, all the experience that I had was more than enough to bring to the table to be able to help other business owners. And so I was just in this weird space before Scale to 5K, but being a part of this group of community of women and Josh, and just having Megan set the tone for this group experience really, really, really gave me the confidence to push my business for it to fully lean into being a business coach and not be scared of showing up in that capacity. And guys, I really can't express enough how important it is to find a coach who not only cares about you and your well-being, but also really cares about like your experiences. I am a black person. I'm a black woman. That's how I identify. And Megan always created a safe space for me to show up as that in this group. And that is worth its weight in gold to me. Can't tell you how many times I cried on the calls or I had a bad day, and Megan and these group of people just surrounded me with love and support, and tough love sometimes whenever I needed it. And you just can't put a price on how good that is when you're first building your business, or if you're pivoting into a new direction and you don't know how it's going to work out for you. It's so important, and the reason why that is because Megan created that space. Um, who she is very much how the group ended up forming, and I wholeheartedly believe is because of how she's hand selected people to be a part of this environment. So it's really important that a coach does that for you. After being in Scale to 5K over the past 12 weeks, I have grown a ton. And most of my growth has just been in my confidence in being a business coach, me feeling more secure about my offers, me feeling more secure about the direction my business is going. But guys, I really cannot put a price on the confidence. I just was showing up very unconfidently before. Um, and I just kind of feel like I've fallen into my calling now. I spent my the last year in my business trying to figure out what it is I want to do, and I feel like I'm finally here, and I feel like I have a full army of people behind me supporting my business journey now because of Scale to 5K. This is for the person who's scared to join, or who is scared of what it's going to be like to be a part of a community of people, or you feel like you can't show up and be your authentic self on group calls. I want to tell you, I cried at least like 5 calls. So, and I know a couple of other people have too. It's okay to show up to these calls with Megan and with these other group of people being your authentic self. And you can't say that about a lot of group coaching programs in this space. So do not be afraid to come into Scale to 5K or to join Scale to 5K, because of the community aspects. It's one of the best aspects of this group coaching program. So if you're on the fence, do it, because you will definitely see tons of growth over the next 12 weeks.